Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to do the basic setting for this watch, Casio WS-1200. And if you want to know more about this watch, you can check our review. I will put the link in the description. Okay, first let's make sure we are in the timekeeping mode, and it should look like this: hour, minute, second, and then day, month, and date. But if not, then you can press the mode button several times until you get the high-pitched beeping sound. That one. Okay, now to set the time, date, and so on, you need to press and hold the adjust button on the top left, this one. And now the second is flashing or blinking. So let's start with the setting for the afterglow effect of the backlight. And to do that, press the light button and you will see that this one is 3 dots, meaning 3 seconds for the backlight length or the afterglow effect. And this one means 1.5 seconds. You can choose whichever you want. So this one means longer backlight, but it will drain the battery faster, and this one meaning that you will save the battery more. Okay, now for the second, you can reset using the search button, and if it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute like this, and if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute like this. Okay, now press the mode button and we are moving to the setting of the daylight saving. For this one, you can use the search button to change the setting. So this one is off, and you can press to make it become on. Okay, let me set as off for now, and then press mode button, and now we are setting the hour. For this one, you can use these two buttons. The light will decrease and the search button will increase. Okay, and then press the mode button, and now we are setting the minute. The light button will decrease and then the search button will increase. Okay, now press again the mode button, and now we are setting the year. Also the same thing, these two buttons, the light will decrease and the search button will increase. Okay, press again the mode button, and now is the month. The light button will decrease and the search button will increase. Again the mode button, and now is the date. Also the same thing, the light button to decrease and the search button to increase. Okay, and now we can press again the mode button and back to the setting of the second and also the backlight length. But we're not finished yet, so press the adjust button, and now we are setting the UTC offset. So for this one, you need to check the UTC offset of your location, or you can check from the link that I will put in the description. And to change the UTC offset, you can use these two buttons. The light button will decrease by half hour and the search button will increase by half hour. Okay, and then press the mode button, and now we are setting the longitude. And yes, you need to check the longitude of your location. And yes, you can decrease and increase the number using these two buttons. The light will decrease by 1 degree and the search button will increase by 1 degree. Okay, now this one is 110 degree east, but if you want to change the east or west, you can use after this, press the mode button and you can use the search button to change. So this one west and this one east. Okay, because my location is 110 east for the longitude, then I will use this one. Okay, now press the mode button and back to the setting of the UTC. And if you're done with the setting for the UTC and also the longitude, you can press the adjust button, and now back to the timekeeping mode. And yes, that's all for the basic settings for this watch, Casio WS-1200. If you want to know more about the detailed settings, I will also make a more detailed tutorial. So don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.